SIM registration has begun and everyone seems to be in panic to get their mobile numbers registered with their respective telcos. Hey, what's up guys, Bibo here of Tech, and today we're going to give you a wrap-up on what has transpired in the first couple of days of SIM registration, new developments, and important information that has been communicated with the telcos since all this started. Alright, so first off, and I think everyone will agree with me, that the first day was sort of a disaster. Registration portals of the two big telcos, Globe and Smart, already went down early in the morning and almost the entire day. The part where the subscribers needed to upload a government ID and take a selfie photo to be uploaded gave the most headaches. People had to repeat the process over and over again to their frustration. Soon, telcos had to recalibrate their servers and make some adjustment before they could continue with the registration. Well, the great thing is that the postpaid subscribers were spared from the chaos. Telcos announced that their personal information that are already in the system will be used for registration. Also, enterprise customers are given the same privilege. While the majority of the people that had a hard time were prepaid users. Dito, Globe, Smart have been constantly reminding subscribers about their registration portals where people can submit their requirements. So we're just going to flash the links in the screen right now. And we'll also leave the same links in the video description below. Well, Smart made an effort to sweeten the deal by rewarding free mobile internet up to 3 GB for every successful registration. Globe, on the other hand, added some fine prints with opt-outs for subscribers to give consent on sharing their personal information with Globe-affiliated companies. Talk about hitting two birds in one stone, right? Very clever move, Globe. Among the three, Dito seems to be the smoothest process and reported the least complaints from the subscribers. Well, if you compare, Dito has 12 million subscribers, and then Globe or Smart has 60 to 70 subscribers, then kind of understand why. Dito customers are able to register via the Dito app, while Globe promises the same for the Globe One app, sometime around January or February. The very same day, the National Telecommunications Commission has sent out a demand letter to all telcos regarding problems with registration. It requires all PTEs or public telecommunication entities to report how you were affected by these incidents and the reasons why. On another note, the DICT or the Department of Information Communication Technology has put up a 24-hour complaint center so people can call and send their complaints about the registration process by simply calling 1326 to send your complaints to the DICT. Well, there's still a lot of time for the SIM registration, and the law provides up to 180 days from the date of effectivity before all the SIM numbers to be deactivated. The NTC will also come up with the guidelines on how to register subscribers who do not have access to the internet but still use featured phones. This is still a sizable portion of the 140 million SIM numbers that needed to be registered within this period. There are a lot of questions, and we'll also try and help answer them or direct you to the official pages of the telcos providing such clarifications. For now, keep calm and check back the registration page once in a while to see if you can get all your numbers submitted without getting those dreaded server errors. Alright, so there you have it. Like this video if you like, hit that bell icon so you get notified once we upload new videos. Also, visit tech.com for a daily dose of tech news and reviews. Also follow us on our social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Once again, I'm B-Boy, thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.